Hello, guys. Welcome to another market forecast. So let's start with the news. All right. So today's Tuesday, December 5th. We're gonna have the only news we should be aware of is 10 a.m. New York local time USD news. All right, which are high impact news. So be careful with those. Won't I will be stop. I will stop trading 10 minutes before 10 a.m. All right. Um, so regarding news, that's pretty much what you guys have to know. So let's go to DXY. All right, so on DXY, the context it's pretty much bullish, right? We already started the week bullish. We are expecting a bullish week. We had a bullish day. This is Friday, right? This is Friday. We had a bullish day yesterday. Okay, so I told you guys that we could target this high um, for maybe entries or analysis, and it was exactly what happened. I know that we have a bearish order block right here, but I consider this candle being a good reaction of the bearish order block. All right, if this bearish order block on the daily time frame would be respected, was supposed to be respected, it means that we wouldn't have this high renewal here. So this buy side liquidity up last Friday wouldn't be taken out, which was what happened. Okay, and then we are starting to move up again. Okay, so the context on the daily on DXY is pretty much we filled this fair value gap. We created a fair value gap by reaching the bearish order block. We filled this fair value gap, I think, yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday. And today we're probably going to go to this high again, right? So let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Right. So in the 12-hour time frame, we have ignore this, right? We have a bullish order block, okay? So price may bounce from here to go up, but on the lower time frames, on the 4-hour time frames, we can see that we have a fair value gap right here, okay? Which was already tapped and prices already moving up. So I believe that it's very likely that we're going to see price going towards this buy side liquidity today, right? So I am bullish on DXY. Okay, bullish. All right. All right. Okay. 1 hour time frame. So we already had a manipulation down on a daily candle open, all right? So regarding power three for the day, I think we are okay to start moving up. And by the time I was doing the forecast, the analysis, price was around here, and I was already predicting that price could go to this buy side liquidity, but I didn't know that it would go that fast to that buy side liquidity. But anyways, it's already going, and it's very likely that we can target this buy side liquidity right here, right? Since we filled this gap that was created, another gap was created right here, and it was filled, but then price continued moving up, and then when it opened like today, it created a gap, huge gap around here, and it was already filled. All right, let me just delete it, and then price is already starting to move up. It's probably gonna go here, and I think it's very likely that we're gonna have a bullish day on the XY. All right, let's go to the 15-minute. I don't think we have anything. All right. So if this candle closes right here, and I think it's very likely to close right here, I'm already going to mark a fair value gap right here that we could maybe use as a bounce. All right. Let's see the 30-minute. All right, 30-minute. On the 30-minute, it's on a validated bullish order block that price is respecting. So we have a lot of reasons to move up today. Okay. Uh, I would just like to see type of retracement right here into the spiritual block or around here, probably an entry around here if we were supposed to buy DXY, but we're not buying DXY because we only trade Euro USD, right? Let's go to Euro USD. On the Euro USD, on the weekly time frame, we see that this inverted fair value gap was a catalyst for price to start moving down, all right? And because of that, If we look to the daily time frame and we consider the hierarchy between the time frames, the PD arrays, and the time frames, we can see that yes, we have a fair value gap right here on the daily time frame, so we may consider like bullishness here, but we have to be aware the price has already disrespected two bullish order blocks. All right, it closed below both of them. So I would say that we're gonna go down deeper in this fair gap. It's very likely, and as I told you guys yesterday, I am taking DXY much more into consideration than your USD. I think it's clearer to read, so I think we're going down today. All right, so um, let's go to the 12-hour. Nothing. 4-hour time frame. All right. So on a 4-hour time frame, we see that above all things that I already told you guys. We have equal lows right here, and we have a favela gap that was filled, and then price is continuing to move down. So I think it's very, very likely that we're going to go into this equal lows, right? I will put my hand on the fire for that. Um, sorry, I'm a little bit sick. I marked the daily candle open right here, and we already had a manipulation up and accumulation on the day, so I think we're pretty good to move down, all right? It's very, very likely, in my opinion, that we're going to see like a downwards movement from here, okay? Which is already happened, but I would expect a pullback into this fair value gap and then order block, and then maybe probably gonna sell right here. Okay, and it's important to notice that we already swept this high to then continue moving low, right? So let's see if any other high was swept. Yeah, this high was swept. Anyways, this high was swept too. So I think I'll probably do an entry here. Okay, this is actually very good. Okay, so an entry like this, I don't know, like stop loss around here. Then you have a nice range down. Okay, maybe uh, uh, 1 or 3 risk to reward. Okay, so regarding the market forecast, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. If you like the channel's content, please consider subscribing to it. Have fun, trade safe.